They say there's one exercise that burns fat, builds muscle, and makes you question all your life choices.
Yeah, it's the burpee. Alright, listen, burpees are like the Swiss Army knife of exercise pain. They combine squats, push-ups and jumping into one full body panic attack. You'll burn more calories than the treadmill and build more muscle than a spin class in 60 seconds. Quick maths. If you want to lose weight fast, this is the move. Alright, let's science this for a second and work out what the burpee actually does. When you do a burpee, you're using your legs for the squat, using your core not to collapse, your chest, triceps and shoulders for the push-up, and your lungs and heart not to die. So it's cardio and strength training all in one. So instead of slogging away on the treadmill for 45 minutes, you could do 5 minutes of burpees and cry in half the time. Now that's science we can all get behind. If you're already doing burpees, let me know in the comment sections how often you do them and why you like pain so much. Seriously, why? So, how does one do a burpee? Well, my beautiful and fabulous assistant will now show you how to perform the perfect burpee. And there you go, 1 rep, 49 to go. So now we know how to do it, here's the deal. Try the 7-day burpee challenge. Start small, work your way up. This is what it looks like. You'll burn fat, get fitter, and discover new swear words that you never knew existed. Now the reason the burpees work so fast is they combine resistance and cardio. Your body never gets a break. That means more calories burned, more fat loss, and better endurance. You don't need any fancy equipment, you don't need a gym membership or any pre-workout named after an explosion. You need gravity, you need the floor, and a questionable sense of optimism. Burpees are hard. They suck, but that's the point. They make you stronger, not just physically, but mentally. Every time you drop down and get back up, you're training your brain to do the same thing in life. Plus, it's great practice for when your toddler throws Lego under your feet. So yeah, if you want to lose weight fast and build some muscle, skip the fads, skip the magic shakes, just do burpees. They're free, they're effective, and they'll humble you faster than your kid asking you why your belly jiggles. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend who doesn't have time to work out. And then make them do burpees. You can suffer together, and that's fitness, baby. Train, laugh and repeat. See you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of my other videos or check out some of my workout routines here that will help you get in shape. Thanks so much and don't forget, like, comment and subscribe.